Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to represent the equation 4 times 5. We're going to do this by making an array, showing it with repeated addition, skip counting, and jumping on a number line. So, we know that we're going to have 4 groups of 5. There's our 4 groups, but how many is in each group? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget, boys and girls, an array is a set of objects arranged in rows and columns. Rows go from side to side. Columns are up and down. Now we're going to show this with repeated addition. This is going to be 4 5s added together because it's 4 times 5. So, 1 5, 2 5s, 3 5s, and 4. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 represents 4 times 5. Now, we are going to show or represent the equation 4 times 5 using skip counting. What this means is we're going to count by 5. So count up by 5s. Let's practice. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and so on. We are only going to go up or count by 5s 4 times because the equation is asking us 4 times 5. So what this is going to look like is going to be 5, 10, 15, 20. We only count by 5s 4 times because it's 4 times 5. Now we're going to show 4 times 5 jumping on a number line. So you always start at 0, and you know that you land 5 spaces the first jump because your number is 5. Now you're going to jump 5 more spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4,